up, everybody? Welcome to another video where we talk about using the Pocket Option platform to do binary option trading. If this is your first time visiting my channel, take some time to look at the previous videos. You can sort them by most popular to see what everyone is looking at so they can win their trades. Now, let's get into it. And it is so great to report, as you can see, Shaira basically has been killing it with the 5-second strategy that she has tweaked to her liking in her trading sessions. Now, she has let me know that she is on to a 30 trades back-to-back win with that strategy. Next, we have Molly. And again, everybody doesn't want to show their business on YouTube. So, if you allow me to do it, then I will show it. If you just want me to shout you out and just let people know what your numbers are, I'm more than happy to do so. That brings me to Molly. Molly is all the way in Alaska, folks. And she has been at Pocket Options for about a month. She said she stumbled on my channel as she was looking to make some extra income. Lo and behold, she went ahead and deposited $30 into her account, and she is already up to $1,000 and $513, I think she said at this date. But it did take her about 2 weeks. So keep it in mind. No pressure. I always put this up. If you are considering signing up with a Pocket Option broker, do so. It's a great way to make some passive income, extra income. You don't have to sit up here and make tens of thousands of dollars. It is an awesome opportunity to get that extra income stream in that you're looking for. Now, let's get into the video. All I'm going to do is touch on a few tips, and then I'm going to let it roll, and you are going to see me trade on that 5-second strategy, how I look for that rejection in the candle and I get in to win that trade. Pay attention all the way through the video so you can learn the most popular strategy to date that everyone is basically using that are watching from my channel is that 5-second strategy. Now, I did it on one screen. Here we go. Making large trades. What you can do to save your account once you get into the live account, you might find yourself wanting to make larger trades. Now, we all wish we could make $1,000 trades or $100 trades, and some people are actually doing that. If you are to that point and you've set your budget and that's what you want to do, consider reducing your consider breaking up that large trade into maybe 3 to 4 trades throughout the day. Here again, if you want to do a $100 trade, maybe you want to do 4 trades throughout the day. Monitoring the market and making sure you're comfortable with getting all your confirmations and so you can win your trade. All it basically does, it takes a lot of pressure off you if you're trying to go for either 1 trade a day or trying to meet that budget. And you don't want to go maybe that large of a trade, then consider breaking it up into 3 to 4 different trades. How many indicators should I use? Well, first off, I've said it before, when you have a lot of indicators on the screen, as you can see, to me, it is very difficult to read price movement. That's why I always stress, try to find maybe 2 to 3 indicators that work well with your strategy, whichever one you're using, so you can see what's going on, especially if you are new to the platform. Now, that is not to discount to say that other people who are using maybe 5 or even 6 indicators and their screen might look like a hot mess, but it works for them. So here again, try to pick indicators that are not muddling up your screen to the point to where you can't really get a grip on price movement and see what's going on. So always consider to probably have maybe 2 to 3 indicators that you can use in your trading session so you can feel comfortable with reading that price movement and winning that trade. Okay, so you're going to see me take a few trades, showing you exactly how I ease into that entry, waiting for the candle rejection. Let's see how it goes.
in the bungalow, she felt so young. The night she was much younger than the other, feeling like a prisoner there in the light. She stood, she knew they couldn't miss her. And then they took her, rest her, walked over life day. You wrote to me, 'cause she wanted me. She kept quiet, they kept beating her. They felt sad for her, but an order is an order. She was a prisoner there in the light. She stood, but she knew they couldn't break her. And by the shore, the bombs were falling with the snow. You wrote to me, 'cause she wanted me.
And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.